Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with quick setup. Put the Nikon in a Aperture Priority or M manual to control f-stop. Once done, mount a lens, and if it has an aperture ring, set it to A or leave it controlled electronically by the body. Make sure the camera is powered and half-press the shutter to activate the meter or enable live view. This lets you see exposure changes as you change aperture. Now you're ready to change the f-stop using the command dial. You change the f-stop by rotating the appropriate command dial. On entry-level bodies, that's usually the rear dial. On some pro models, use the front dial or press an aperture button while turning a dial. In a mode, the camera will change shutter speed for correct exposure, so you're only deciding depth of field. Make sure to watch live view or the exposure indicator in the viewfinder so you can see the effect on brightness and depth of field. Adjust ISO. To finish, review your shot. Check the histogram and highlight alerts, and preview depth of field in live view or with a depth of field preview button if available. Once satisfied, you can lock settings or switch to manual mode to control both aperture and shutter precisely. If the aperture won't change, make sure the lens aperture ring isn't locked at a specific f-stop and that the camera's aperture control isn't disabled. Reattach the lens and restart the camera as a quick troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.